Alright guys, I have my drum kit in front of me, and if you haven't checked out the intro video to this, you should do that as well. I put a paper towel, just a little hand towel over the drum or the pot, so it's not as loud. And then you can use whatever else you find in your kitchen or whatever your parents will let you do. Now I'm using spoons. I figured those would be better. I guess you could use like cereal spoons. That would be just fine. All right, here we go. I have a cool drum kit. We're going to play Poison now. Are you ready for that? Here we go. Introduction. Get ready. It's my turn. 1, 2, me, go. Oh, wait a second. I'm sorry. I didn't tell you what the Poison rhythm would be. Let's see here. Let's do... Alright, ta-dee-ta, ta-dee-ta. Say that. Ready, go. Alright, now I'm going to play it just on this one. And I want you to echo me on whatever drum instrument you have in front of you. Alright? Ta-dee-ta, ta-dee-ta. Alright, you can't play that or you're out. Or you lose a point. So, I mean, if it's just you at your house, then that's all there is to it. So here we go. Let's see. I'm going to try to back up a little. Here we go. Don't play the Poison rhythm. 1, 2, my turn. Oh, that was Poison. Haha, here we go. I'll do Poison one more time. This is Poison. To just me and ta-dee-ta, ta-dee-ta is the Poison rhythm. All right, my turn. Echo me unless it's Poison. 2, ready, go. Oh, that was Poison. Ooh, actually, the one I played over here was Poison. I got mixed up. Here we go again. Echo me. Oh, Poison. That was Poison. I think it's time for a new Poison rhythm, don't you? All right. Let's see here. How about ta-dee-ta-dee-ta-ta. Say that with me. Ready, go. Ta-dee-ta-dee-ta-ta. All right. Now play it on whatever drum you want to. You can echo me. It's safe this time. Here we go. Ta-dee-ta-dee-ta-ta. All right, that's Poison. You can't play that one. Here we go. All right. Here I go. Oh, that's Poison. Here we go. Ah, that was Poison. Here we go. That was safe. Here we go. I got something in my eye. Sorry about that. That was Poison. Here we go again. Ah, man. That was Poison technically, but this fell away. Here we go. That was Poison. Poison. And that was Poison. And that's the end of this video. Rewind it and watch it as much as you want and play along. Thanks.